Díobh, seo fís beag just gonna haispointíobh Conas dul ar Google Classroom. So táim an seo istigh má inbox agus cíigh sibh go méid cuire uamse chun dul ann ach táim chun slí eile haispointíobh. So this is just a quick video to show you how to get into Google Classroom. So if you're in your inbox, take it on waffle who's on seo agus cíigh tú go deireadh sé leat Google Apps. So it'll tell you that this is for Google Apps. So click on this brewer seo and cíigh to Classroom. You'll see Classroom. So brewer sin agus oscailt tab nua, a new tab will open. And once you get into Google Classroom, you will see that you have an invitation from me to join a classroom. So just click on join, join, agus coluas go déanann tú é sin, rockigh sé isteach, agus seo an show maranga. So le Google tugann sé nudanna dud nuair atá tú nua. So it's féidir leat a rá, okay, got it. So má tá stíanú rud éigean a rá leis an round, is féidir leat rud éigean a chur an seo. Now, ní bheith míad á úsáid le haid cumarsáid idir daltaí, is cumarsáid idir múntóirí is daltaí a bheith ann. So we won't be using this just to have a chat with your class, it'll be for conversations with teachers. Here you'll see as well if there are any work that you need to be doing from teachers that they've assigned, or that there's any messages from teachers. So to get to classwork, you click on classwork up here and you will see if you have got any classwork. So at the minute, níl aon ann, so tá sibh séir go dtí gur múntóirí rudí suas díobh.